So here we are with the GoPro 13, and I just want to show you exactly what we do in order to make sure that this is going to connect. So the DJI Mic 2 has got two different settings. One is if it flashes green, then that is recording to the actual unit itself. But you really want it to be on blue, and that is going to record onto a Bluetooth device. So we're just going to, but that's flashing blue just now, and we have to just press this link button again in order for it to actually flash fast, and that becomes discoverable. So in the meantime, we've got our GoPro, and I just want to show you the settings that you need to use. Okay, so this is it on, and we're going to have to change some settings in order to be able to actually link it in. So you just swipe down from the top, and this gives you your menu, and then you want to slide across. Now there's two different settings that you have to change before you're going to be able to use it. So the first one is the controls. So I've got this set to Pro, but when you do get a GoPro straight out of the box, it's set to Easy. Now most of you probably know this and you have changed it on to Pro, but it's very important that that gets changed, because otherwise you're never going to be able to do anything with your microphone. So set that up to Pro, and then if we just go back, the next thing we need to check is the preferences. So in preferences, there's wireless connections. Now, the DJI Mic 2 works on the 2.4 gigahertz, and it will not work on 5, or it certainly won't work to its best on 5. So if you just click the Wi-Fi band, make sure that it's not set to 5. Now, I think the default is 5. So you just need to make sure that you get that off of 5 just by clicking it and on to the 2.4. So now we can go ahead and look at actually linking. So we're still in this menu here, and as you can see, there's the option to pair a device. So we're just going to pair that. So we're ready to start to pair, but you do need to make sure that the blue light is not just flashing, it has to flash quickly. So you press the link button again, and you can see that's now flashing quickly. And now we can go ahead and press pair device, and it will start to search for a device. So you can see that's come up with the DJI Mic 2, and we're just going to click that. And now it's turned blue, and that's it, ready to use. So that's the first step. You're all set, and any recordings will automatically now come through your recording device instead of the camera itself. So the most important thing is that the DJI Mic banner is just along the top, and then you want to swipe up. So if you press video, or even before you press video, you can see that there's now a green bar along the bottom of your video screen. Now that green bar is what's coming through of this microphone. So that's really important. When you see this green slider bar just at the bottom here, then you know it is actually working. So that's your first stage over, and we will look at the next stage now. So on to the next stage, and this is the stage where we struggled. We spent about a day trying to get this to work, and we watched lots of different videos. We contacted the support teams, and no one could tell us how to get it to work. And this is what our problem was, and I'm just going to show you this. This is Media Player, and this is where I go outside to test the DJI Mic 2 connected to the GoPro. So you can see him outside and blabbing away, and there's absolutely nothing coming through. So we get stuck at this stage, and we were really upset. And we were actually thinking we'll just have to send the microphone back if we can't get it to work. Until, I don't even know why I thought about it, but until I actually thought, let's have a wee look and just see how it works inside Canva. So I'll just bring this up. Now this is Canva. So it does say you have to stay in the correct field of view, but normally our Wi-Fi does hold. And we're just seeing if it is holding just now. Is the green bar still there? Green bar. So that's it. So the actual miracle of how to get it to work is what you're uploading it to. So I quite like to use Canva, and I use that for a lot of my videos and a lot of my projects, but you can also use Photoshop, which I do also have, and lots of other different software. So if you've been struggling, I would say go ahead and try to use a different video system to work with your videos. So I hope that has been really helpful. The other thing you can do is you can try just updating some of your drivers, but this certainly has been a quick fix for us. Well, not so quick, but we got there in the end, and we're really excited because the volume and the actual microphone is fantastic. So let people know, as I say, I know that a lot of people just have given up. There's endless videos online. We've cracked it. We hope that it works for you. Let us know in the comments. Also, just drop us a wee line and let us know what you enjoy recording with your GoPro and also with your DJI Mic 2. So please subscribe, and that gives you notifications of new videos, and like the video as well, as that helps us out. Hope you have a good day. Bye.